Subscribe to Gadgets and Widgets YouTube channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notifications for latest updates. Hello everyone, welcome to Gadgets and Widgets YouTube channel. Today we are going to create and post 3D images on Facebook using Android mobile app and from desktop. So on Android, first of all we will open the Facebook app. Make sure you have installed and logged in your Facebook account properly. You will need to open the Facebook mobile app on your Android phone. As it opens, simple step is to tap on What's on your mind section if you are on your own newsfeed where you create post. But first I will show you for a page. I will open the page I manage. There you will see Create a Post section which you will need to tap on. And then here you will need to scroll down to get the 3D photo option. You will need to tap on it and the camera roll or gallery will open where you will need to choose and select a photo that you would like to upload as 3D image. As you tap on it will automatically convert the normal image into 3D photo. Creating a 3D photo takes a little bit of time. Here, you can see my photo is being converted or created into 3D image. So, as it gets complete, you will see the 3D photo. You can move your phone to check for the motion in the picture. The photo I have chosen has worked properly. Here you can write some captions as well. After that, you just need to tap on the share button on top right corner to upload the 3D photo. Similarly, if you want to post a 3D image on your timeline or newsfeed, then you just need to tap on What's on your mind section. The process will be same. I will do it here, just check on it. So, my 3D photo is ready and I will post it. As you see, the 3D photo is on the newsfeed and is also moving as per my device motion. Also I can open it on full screen and check. So, it is working properly here. It is easy to create and upload a 3D photo on mobile app. The steps are quite similar for the iOS mobile app also. You can check step-by-step process on the article posted in Gadgets and Widgets website. Link is given in description below. Also follow us on social sites. So, when it comes to desktop, the process is a little longer. Because there you will not find the option for 3D image. So, you will need to do a little more in desktop to upload a 3D image. First of all, you will need to save two files of same photo, one with normal .jpg or .png format, and another with _depth mapping. Here, you will need to choose one image from the desktop. The image I have chosen is in .png format. You will need to copy the image and paste it aside. And then rename the copied image to add _depth at last of actual name. You can see two images have been created on my desktop where one is normal with .png format and another has _depth added in the name. This will create the depth image of the original image. Now open your computer browser and log in your Facebook account. As you log in, you should click on Photo or Video option on the top of your newsfeed. This is same with the page and group you manage. I will be doing this for the page I manage. The process is same for group and newsfeed or timeline. As you click on Photo or Video, you will need to select the particular two photos. The image and the depth mapped image. You can also drag and drop those images on the Create Post section. So, as you see the photos gets added, 3D image will be created automatically. It will take few seconds to create it. When it completes you will directly see the 3D image and moves according with your mouse point. After that you can write some captions and then click on the post button. This will post your 3D image on the newsfeed. And people will be able to see the image in 3D as you posted. Also, be aware that the 3D photo can't be boosted even if you're uploading on the page you manage. You can see my upload 3D image in the page has boost unavailable. So, the process on desktop may be little longer cause you need to make depth mapped image also. Thank you for watching this video. And do not forget to subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos, and do like and comment in below section. Also, share this video with your friends to give them idea about how to upload the 3D photo on Facebook. Thank you.